Hi everyone, this is D&V Mobile Auto Repair. Today we're out in Langley working on a Ford E450 Super Duty RV, a Freelander coachman. The client called us because the vehicle wouldn't start. He had already tried boosting it, but it still wouldn't turn over. So we came out to the location and performed a full battery and starting system diagnosis. After testing, we confirmed that the battery had failed and needed replacement. We sourced a brand new battery, returned to the vehicle, and professionally installed it on site. The RV would not start, even with a boost. The new battery is installed, and the vehicle is now up and running perfectly. Now the client is ready for upcoming summer trips without worrying about breakdowns. If you need battery diagnosis, battery replacement, alternator or starter repairs, serpentine belt service, brake pads, or rotors, we come directly to your driveway, workplace, or even a rural property like this one. No towing, no waiting at a shop. Just professional mobile mechanic service at your location. This is D&V Mobile Auto Repair. We'll see you on the next job.